So if you have the Sony ZV-E1, you may be shocked to find out that this camera has aspect markers. This is super helpful when you're trying to decide whether you're going to shoot horizontally or vertically. And it allows you to basically go ahead and shoot horizontally, and then you'll have the vertical line so that you can actually see and get your framing right if you want to go ahead and repurpose that video to a vertical video. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you really quickly how to turn the aspect markers on the Sony ZV-E1. Once you have the camera turned on, you want to make sure you select the video mode. Then you're going to go to where it says menu. You're going to go to number 11 where it says marker display and select that. Then you're going to go to where it says marker display. You're going to go ahead and turn that on. Then you're going to go down to where it says aspect marker, and you're going to put it on 9:16, especially if you're doing vertical video. And then if you get out, you'll be able to see those lines, and those lines are going to show you where you need to be to keep the video vertical.